Yard cleanup season is here, and your choice of tool makes all the difference. The best Leaf Mulcher Vacuum saves you time, effort, and bag after bag of loose leaves. Top picks like the Works Tri-Vac, Craftsman Backpack, and Husqvarna 125 BVX deliver serious power. Blowing, vacuuming, and mulching all in one. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. MZK LB60C Leaf Mulcher Vacuum. The MZK LB60C is an excellent choice for homeowners seeking a reliable all-in-one yard maintenance tool. Combining blower, vacuum, and mulcher functions in a single machine, it eliminates the need for multiple devices and simplifies outdoor cleanup. The tool produces up to 460 CFM airflow and wind speeds reaching approximately 167 mph, delivering enough power to clear leaves, grass clippings, and debris from lawns, driveways, and patios with ease. A spacious 40-liter collection bag allows for longer working sessions without constant emptying. An ergonomic handle enhances comfort during extended use, while a one-touch power boost feature provides extra strength for stubborn debris. Because it's corded, users can enjoy continuous operation without worrying about battery life. Overall, the MZK LB60C offers dependable performance, convenient functionality, and impressive mulching efficiency for maintaining a clean and tidy yard. Number 2. Greenworks 100-watt Leaf Mulcher Vacuum. The Greenworks 100-watt Leaf Mulcher Vacuum is a powerful cordless solution designed to handle demanding yard cleanup jobs with ease. Its versatile 3-in-1 design allows users to switch quickly between blowing, vacuuming, and mulching modes, making it ideal for maintaining lawns, patios, decks, and driveways. Delivering up to 520 CFM airflow and 240 mph airspeed, it provides exceptional performance for moving large piles of leaves and debris with ease. Equipped with two high-capacity 6.0 Ah batteries, this model offers extended operating time and includes a fast charging system to minimize interruptions. The 12-to-1 mulching capability significantly reduces yard waste volume, making disposal easier and more convenient. Comfortable handling and cordless freedom make this tool especially useful for larger properties. Overall, the Greenworks 100-watt is a premium option for users who value power, convenience, and flexibility.
Number 3. ZEGJAW 360 CFM Leaf Mulcher Vacuum. The ZEGJAW 360 CFM Leaf Mulcher Vacuum delivers impressive versatility and convenience for homeowners who prefer cordless yard maintenance equipment. Designed as a 3-in-1 blower, vacuum, and mulcher, this unit can easily adapt to a variety of cleanup tasks throughout the year. Its high-performance brushless motor provides airflow up to 360 CFM and wind speeds reaching 170 mph, making it effective for clearing leaves, dust, light snow, and other outdoor debris. A durable 45L collection bag helps minimize emptying frequency, and the integrated mulching system reduces 12 bags of leaves into one, significantly cutting waste volume. The included shoulder strap improves comfort during prolonged use, while the bottom zipper allows quick and easy debris disposal. Overall, the ZEGJAW model offers strong performance, practical features, and excellent value for regular yard maintenance. Number 4. SOYUS 4.0 AH Battery Leaf Mulcher Vacuum. The SOYUS 4.0 AH Battery Leaf Mulcher Vacuum is a practical cordless tool that combines 3 essential yard maintenance functions into one compact machine. Acting as a blower, vacuum, and mulcher, it helps users save both storage space and equipment costs. Powered by a high-efficiency brushless motor, the unit delivers airflow up to 360 CFM and wind speeds reaching 170 mph, making it effective for clearing leaves, grass clippings, and everyday yard debris. 4 speed levels and a visible control panel displaying battery status and airflow settings make operation simple and convenient. The large 45L collection bag is designed for heavy-duty use and features a bottom zipper for effortless debris disposal. With its cordless mobility, reliable performance, and user-friendly controls, the SOYUS Leaf Mulcher Vacuum is a solid choice for homeowners seeking efficient yard cleanup without the limitations of power cords.
Number 5. Makita XBU07Z Leaf Mulcher Vacuum. The Makita XBU07Z Leaf Mulcher Vacuum is a professional-grade tool designed for users who value durability, efficiency, and trusted performance. This versatile 3-in-1 machine functions as a blower, vacuum, and mulcher, allowing it to handle a wide range of yard cleanup tasks with ease. Powered by Makita's brushless motor technology, the unit delivers up to 143 miles per hour blowing force and efficient suction performance with up to 215 CFM airflow during vacuum operation. The brushless design improves energy efficiency, extends motor life, and reduces maintenance requirements. Lightweight construction and ergonomic handling contribute to greater comfort during extended use. Ideal for homeowners and landscaping enthusiasts alike, the Makita XBU07Z offers dependable power, quality engineering, and excellent versatility, making it a worthwhile investment for maintaining a clean and attractive outdoor space.